Hello everyone, this is Brandon Shutter from Kion, and today we're going to be going over Kion's environmental variables, what they are, how to use them. Kion has a list of environmental variables that we support inside of our Success Center. If you just search for environmental variables, you'll see that the top one, configuring environmental variables, pops up, and we're going to go into that. So in this page is a list of all the environmental variables that we support. Feel free to read through these, see if any of these are applicable to your needs. In order to utilize these environmental variables, they are set during the CloudFormation step in the install of your application. So I'm going to show you kind of how that looks. So I am in my AWS account in which I want to host Kion, and I'm in CloudFormation, create stack. I'm going to upload a template file. I downloaded the most recent version of Kion to my local machine. I'm going to select that and then hit next. Inside all of these are the various details that you would need in order to get Kion up and running, but what we care about is I'm looking for it. It's this right here. It's additional environmental variables. So I'm going to zoom in here. And essentially the way that this works is that via a comma-separated list, you would put in here your environmental variables. For example, key equals value, key 2 equals value 2, etc. Now, if we wanted to utilize an actual example, we would go to our environmental variables and say that we want to disable our EULA. So we would go into our line. I'm going to delete these examples. I'm going to go EULA enabled equals false. Now, when I enter the rest of this information and create my stack, the application will automatically reach into this and disable this environmental variable. Now, if I wanted to go in and re-enable this, I can go into a stack that already exists, which I have one here, and you would update the stack using the same template. And you would go into your parameters, find your environmental variables, and let's say that this was already false, right? I would go in here and just mark this as true and redeploy my stack here, and it would, modify my existing environmental variable. So I hope that shows you how environmental variables work in Kion. And as always, I hope you have a great rest of your day and take care.